Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you guys are having an excellent morning. I am so excited to be able to teach you one more day. And let's go ahead and begin with our morning meeting. Now let's go over our mood meter, boys and girls. How are we feeling today? Are we on the red side, on the blue side, yellow side, or green side? Right now, I am feeling very grateful. I'm grateful to be assisting Miss Carrillo with the rice, and grateful to have a job and be able to be healthy in the middle of a pandemic. Now let's go over the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now, today is Tuesday, everybody. Today is, get ready, Tuesday. Good. Yesterday was Monday. Everybody together. Yesterday was, get ready, Monday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Everybody together. Tomorrow will be, get ready, Wednesday. Now we have a new month, boys and girls. The month is September. So August went flying already, and now we are September. How exciting, boys and girls. September is a good month. Now today is September 1st, 2020. So let's go ahead and go over the date. Today is September 1st, 2020. Good job. And the weather is sunny. It is pretty hot here in the RTV, so we will more than likely always have a sunny day. So the weather is sunny. Now the temperature is about 95 degrees. Today was a super hot day. It almost felt like in the 100 degrees, boys and girls. So make sure we're drinking water and staying active. Now remember to stay active, boys and girls. We can do some yoga, participate in Special Olympics. We can go for a walk, play some soccer, and exercise. Remember to eat healthy and drink plenty of water. Now the life skill lessons that we're going to learn today and for this whole week will be folding clothes. So this is a great video where you guys will learn how to fold clothes, and maybe you guys can already be helping at home, your parents, and helping them with those chores. Now today's agenda. Today we're going to go over math. So I'm excited to go over math today with you, boys and girls. Now for teacher contact information, if you boys or girls and parents have any questions, you can contact myself, Mrs. Brenda Martinez, Ms. Diana Carrillo, Mr. Jonathan Guzman, or Mrs. Ileana de la Garza. I hope you guys have an excellent day, have an excellent Tuesday, stay safe, and try your very best.